So we're going to do number 9 as a warm-up together, but I'd like you to answer as much as you can on your own. The one thing I wanted to do first was actually write this function in standard form. When I multiply out x minus 1 times x minus 1 using FOIL, I have x squared minus 2x plus 1. So you're going to be answering all the questions based on this function. So pause the video if you want to try to do it yourself first. So let's see, the y-intercept, if I plug in 0, I get 0 divided by 1, which is 0. And my x-intercept, I'm going to get 0 when x is 0. So they both go through the point 0, 0. My vertical asymptote, because it was in factored form, I can see that the vertical asymptote would be at positive 1. And then I'm going to have to do a slant asymptote because x cubed divided by x squared is going to give me my asymptote. So my divisor is 3 terms, x squared minus 2x plus 1. And my dividend is only x cubed. So I'm going to put x cubed in the first box. X times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 2x is negative 2x squared. X times 1 is 1x. How many x squareds do I want? I want 0 of them, so I need to put positive 2x squared of them in this box. So x plus 2 is going to be my asymptote. If I want to do the rest to find the remainder, negative 4x, positive 2, need to get 0. So this would need a 3x, and this would need a negative 2. That's my remainder. But y equals x plus 2, I'm not doing the analysis, is my asymptote. So I go to 2, and then I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. There's my asymptote. This section of the graph must go in that region. My guess is it also is in this region. How I could prove that is by plugging in a value like 2. So if I plug in a value of 2, what would I get? I would get 2 cubed is 8 over 2 minus 1 is 1, squared is 1. So 2, 8 is on my graph up here. The domain of this function, x, cannot equal 1. The range of this function, that's a tricky one. I probably wouldn't have you do that without using a calculator. It kind of looks like this region is a little bit bare of y values. So the range might be y is less than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 8. But I'm not sure if that's the turning point. So I wouldn't ask you a range on a function where it's hard to determine where is that maximum and where is that minimum without using a calculator.